Hello everyone, welcome to today's enlightening journey where we uncover the mysteries of the largest hot desert in the world, the Sahara. This vast expanse, comparable to the size of the United States, is more than just an endless sea of sand dunes. It is a land of extreme contrasts, a testimony to nature's remarkable adaptability. Located in North Africa, the Sahara stretches from the Red Sea in the east all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in the west. It's an awe-inspiring landscape of rocky hamada, with sand dunes forming only a minor part of its terrain. The Sahara isn't just one uniform desert, it's divided into several regions, each with its own unique characteristics. These include the Western Sahara, the Central Ahaga Mountains, the Tibesti Mountains, and the Libyan Desert. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Sahara is its 20,000-year cycle. Imagine this. The Sahara, known for its harsh and unforgiving climate, alternating between a desert and a savanna grassland. This transformation is due to the precession of Earth's axis, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists to this day. The Sahara covers parts of several countries, including Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia. It's a hyper-arid region with sparse vegetation, yet the northern and southern reaches have areas of grassland and desert shrub. It's bordered by the Sahel to the south, a belt of dry tropical savanna that forms a stark contrast to the Sahara's arid landscape. If you find this journey intriguing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating past of the Sahara. Now, imagine a time thousands of years ago when the Sahara wasn't a desert at all. Picture a sprawling savanna brimming with lush greenery, abundant wildlife, and vibrant communities of early humans. Yes, the Sahara, the world's largest hot desert we know today, was once a quite different place. Around 20,000 years ago, due to the Earth's axial precession, the Sahara was a savanna grassland. This period, known as the African humid period, saw the Sahara brimming with life. Herds of elephants, giraffes, and hippos roamed the grasslands, while crocodiles and fish thrived in the lakes and rivers. Early human communities too flourished, with ample food and water sources at their disposal. Archaeological findings from this era provide fascinating insights into life in the ancient Sahara. Pottery, tools, and even remnants of dwellings paint a vivid picture of thriving civilizations. But perhaps the most captivating evidence of this period are the ancient rock art sites scattered across the Sahara. These rock art sites, some over 10,000 years old, offer a glimpse into the Sahara's verdant past. They depict scenes of people and animals, suggesting a close relationship between humans and the environment. Images of people herding cattle, hunting game, and dancing under the sun showcase a dynamic, bustling life that once existed here. The rock art also illustrates the diverse wildlife of the ancient Sahara. Elephants, giraffes, hippos, and many other animals are frequently depicted, underlining the region's rich biodiversity during this period. These ancient images stand in stark contrast to the Sahara we know today, dominated by sand and scarce vegetation. This transformation of the Sahara from a lush savanna to a vast desert is a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. It reminds us of the dynamic and evolving landscapes that have shaped and continue to shape the course of human history. So, the Sahara, as we know it today, was not always a vast desert. It was once a vibrant, life-sustaining savanna, a testament to the ever-changing rhythms of our planet. So, what transformed the Green Sahara into the arid desert we know today? You might be wondering. Well, it was a combination of climatic changes and shifts in Earth's axis that led to the desertification of the Sahara. Around 20,000 years ago, the Sahara was a lush green haven. But as the Earth's axis precessed, the region's climate began to change. The subtropical high-pressure systems that once brought rain to the Sahara started to shift, leading to a reduction in rainfall. This descending airflow, coupled with the stable atmosphere, created a hot desert climate. As the rain dwindled, so did the vegetation. The green expanses of grassland gradually gave way to expanses of rocky hamada and sparse desert shrub. The Sahara's transformation wasn't an overnight event, but a slow, gradual process that unfolded over thousands of years. Now, imagine living in such a changing environment. The human settlements that once thrived in the Green Sahara had to adapt or move. As the desert expanded, people had to travel further to find water and fertile land. This led to the emergence of nomadic cultures who moved with the seasons to survive. The wildlife of the Sahara underwent a similar transformation. As the grasslands became desert, animals had to adapt to the new environment or perish. Some species, like the Saharan cheetah and the dromedary camel, evolved to survive in the harsh desert conditions. They developed traits like water conservation and heat tolerance, which allowed them to thrive in the arid Sahara. But it wasn't just the wildlife that adapted. The Sahara itself also changed. The Ahaggar and Tibesti mountains, once lush with vegetation, became rocky and barren. The Atlas Mountains, on the other hand, acted as a barrier and intensified the desert's aridity by causing a rain shadow effect. Thus, over time, the Sahara transformed from a green haven to a vast arid desert. This transformation has had a profound impact on the people, wildlife, and the very landscape of the Sahara, shaping it into the fascinating desert we know today. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara played a pivotal role in history. This expansive desert, as seemingly inhospitable as it may be, was actually a key player in the development and evolution of human civilizations. Let's talk about trade routes first. The Sahara was a crucial junction in the trans-Saharan trade routes, serving as a bridge between sub-Saharan Africa and the Mediterranean world. Imagine caravans of camels loaded with gold, salt, and slaves, traversing the unforgiving desert terrain. Gold from West Africa was traded for salt from the Sahara, and this exchange of goods played a significant role in the economic growth of the regions involved. But the Sahara was not just a passageway, it was also a cradle of civilizations that thrived around its edges. The pharaohs of Egypt, one of the most iconic civilizations in history, reigned on the eastern edge of the Sahara. Their advanced civilization, stunning architecture, and profound knowledge in various fields have left a lasting impact on human history. Further west, the ancient city of Timbuktu, now in modern-day Mali, was a bustling hub of Islamic culture and scholarship during the Middle Ages. The city was a significant center of trade, education, and religion, and its influence spread across the African continent and beyond. The Berber kingdoms too established their dominance in North Africa, using the Sahara as both a barrier and a bridge. The desert's harsh conditions provided a natural defense, while its trade routes allowed them to connect with other cultures and economies. From the Carthaginians to the Romans, from the Byzantines to the Arabs, many have sought control over the regions surrounding the Sahara, each leaving their distinct mark on the sands of time. Indeed, the Sahara has been a silent witness to significant historical events. Despite its arid and inhospitable nature, it has been a stage for human endeavor, ambition, and resilience, shaping the course of human history in its unique, sandy way. Today, the Sahara continues to be of great importance. It's not just a vast expanse of sand and heat, but a dynamic and vital part of our planet. For starters, it is home to unique biodiversity. Believe it or not, life thrives here in the form of resilient plants, hardy insects, and adaptable animals, all living in harmony with the desert's harsh conditions. The Sahara also holds enormous economic potential. Beneath its sandy surface lie abundant resources. Think oil, natural gas, and valuable minerals. These are sought after by countries around the world and contribute significantly to the economies of the nations that the Sahara spans. But the Sahara's influence extends well beyond its borders. Its weather patterns have a profound impact on the global climate. The desert's hot, dry air contributes to the formation of the Saharan air layer, a massive dust cloud that travels across the Atlantic Ocean. This dust plays a critical role in fertilizing soils in the Amazon rainforest, thousands of miles away. Moreover, the Sahara's wind patterns are harnessed for renewable energy. Wind farms are popping up across the desert, transforming the Sahara into a potential powerhouse for clean, sustainable energy. The Sahara's vastness and harsh conditions also make it a natural laboratory for scientists studying climate change and extraterrestrial life. The desert's extreme conditions provide a unique environment to test equipment destined for Mars and to study how life might survive on other planets. Indeed, the Sahara, despite its arid nature, is teeming with life and resources. So, that was our enlightening journey through the Sahara Desert. We've journeyed through time, learning about the Sahara's ancient past, its transformation over thousands of years, and the significant role it has played in shaping history. Today, it continues to be a fascinating area of study, a testament to nature's power and adaptability. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.